Your truly free unscented laundry wash gives your family the cleanest, freshest clothes without using any toxic and harmful chemicals. Using a non-toxic formula of natural salts and plant oils, it easily dissolves dirt and grime from clothes without leaving a toxic film behind like store-bought detergents do. Truly Free's refillable cleaning system makes laundry so much easier. Just use one of the recyclable refill pouches that arrives at your door every month to make more laundry wash whenever you need it right at your home, saving you money and trips to the store. Refilling your jug takes less than 45 seconds. Just add warm water to the shoulder fill line, pour in one refill pouch, top off with more water and shake. If you want to add a non-toxic scent to your laundry wash, simply add about 15 to 20 drops of Bara essential oils directly into your mixed laundry jug. It's simple to use. Choose your ounce depending on the size of the load. For regular size loads, start with a 1 ounce for a high efficiency washer. For extra soil loads or a larger size load, add an additional 1 ounce. For a standard washing machine, start with 2 ounces for a regular size load, and for extra soiled or larger size loads, add an additional 1 ounce of laundry wash. And that's it. Enjoy clean, fresh smelling, non-toxic laundry. And remember to add more refill packages to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.